So, really quickly on niyamas, maybe not really quickly, something that could take lifetimes to study, much less master and put into practice. But these niyamas are the personal self-disciplines, if you will. In any case, they are saucha, or cleanliness, purity, and that's something that happens on multiple levels, inwardly and outwardly. There is santosha, or contentment with what one has, contentment with what is currently, whether it's contentment in where you're at in a certain pose or posture, where your body is, or with what you just have, right, monetarily or physically, the shape and size of your body, things like that. Um, there's so many ways to look at that, but either way, it exudes this idea of this ethos of gratitude and gratefulness. Also, there is tapas, or self-discipline. It comes from the root word tap, which is to burn, in Sanskrit. So there's this idea of self-discipline, constantly doing something, even when it may be difficult. Holding some of these postures may feel like the body is literally burning so much heat. You start to sweat, burning out impurities of mind, body, and spirit. So in that sense, tapas. Then we have svadhyaya, or self-study, study of your own physical body and understanding the limitations of your bone structures, etc. Also studying of your own emotions, reactions to situations, studying how you respond to environments and situations, the emotions that arise in your body when you're in different positions, both physically and different positions mentally, how you feel you are perceived or how you're perceiving things. And sort of being able to look at yourself almost from a third person point of view, observing and studying oneself. And finally, there's ishvarapranidhana, which is surrender. Surrendering of all your desires and emotions and wants and things to only this infinite source, the power energy source that powers everything that is right now. Practicing that, coming back to that, letting go of your own personal body-centric or ego-centric, self-centric. When I say self, I mean the little self right now. In order to surrender that to the larger self, to the everyone, everywhere, all the time self. All of these niyamas things I say as a practitioner, an aspiring practitioner, to understand and practice them more and more deeply. There's so many levels to it, and there's so much to study on it. I highly advise folks to go out and do more research on their own, to have their own stronger and deeper understanding of these niyamas. This one of 8 limbs of yoga. Thank you so much. Namaste.